I'm Matthew Marston, Head of Smart Places at WSP, and one technology that I'm speaking about a lot is smart lighting. Essentially, smart lighting is when we add sensors and onboard logic to the lighting above our heads, across the places where we work, live and play, to data enable them in some way. Typically, a multi-sensor is fitted into the luminaire itself to capture a couple of things. Firstly, we look at energy. By using a UVA, UVB or ambient light sensor, we're able to deliver something called daylight harvesting. And that essentially means that only synthetic light is topped up in addition to what the sun isn't providing. And where we've implemented this for our clients, we've seen cases of savings up to 80% from the baseline. The next exciting one is looking at the passive infrared sensor, which is the thing that triggers. It's essentially a motion detector underneath the lights. When in traditional systems that switches them on, we can actually use them as part of smart lighting to understand how that space is being used. One of the reasons that smart lighting is so good is because it's based in the ceiling, and the ceiling looks down at the entire floor plan and everything that happens underneath. So when using those PIR sensors, we're able to generate heat maps so we can see which areas are popular and which aren't. We're able to understand circulation as to how people move around that space. Or perhaps in the case of an exhibition centre, why queues are forming and where, and what we can do about them. Or even moving to demand-based cleaning. Additionally, why this is a good infrastructural element that allows us to be future ready is because we've installed a controls network and electricity up in the ceiling where we can bolt further sensors into in the future. So if something becomes a new priority, such as indoor air quality for instance, it's very simple to add those sensors into that network and start to collect that data and act upon the insights.